In this lesson, we'll show how we can derive units of other quantities like area and volume from base units of imperial measurement system, which is also known as FPS system, because F stands for foot, which is unit of length, P stands for pound, which is unit of mass, S stands for seconds, which is unit of time. These three are the base units. Units of any other quantity like area, speed, volume, etc. is derived from these base units. For this, let's calculate area of rectangle, and we'll see how we derive units of area from the base units of length. If the length of the rectangle is 3 feet and width is equal to 2 feet, let us represent length by L. So L is equal to 3 feet and width is equal to 2 feet for this rectangle. Then area of rectangle, the formula is area of rectangle is equal to length time width. What is length? Length is 3 feet. The quantity length is being represented by the number and the unit, feet. Time width, which is again 2 feet. Now number with number will produce 6. So 3 times 2 will be 6, but feet time feet. Feet time feet, according to the laws of exponent, this will be square feet. So that's why we write 6 square feet here. 6 square feet. This is how we write unit of area. Now we have another rectangle in which the length is for given rectangle, the length this time is given equal to 1.7 feet and width is given equal to 9 inches. Here you take a look on the units being used. Length is in different unit and width is in different unit. Both must be in same units. Length and width both either must be in feet or both must be in inches or whatever unit of length you are using, but length and width both must be in same units. Let us convert inches into units, into feet, and then we will find area for this rectangle. For converting 9 inches into feet, we will divide by 12 and can write this as feet. This is equal to 0.75 feet, and now length is 1.7 feet and width is 0.75 feet. Therefore, area would be equal to, so area of rectangle will be equal to length time width like before, and this time this would be 1.7 feet time 0.75 and feet. Now because both units are in feet, therefore easily we can write them as square feet. And if we multiply 1.7 times 0.75, the answer will be 1.275 square feet. So this is for area of rectangle, and now we will find out volume of a box. So here question number 2 would be volume of box. Volume of a box is equal to It's three-dimensional, so this must be equal to length time width time height. Now the given length is equal to 2 feet. In the question it's given that calculate volume of a box which is 2 feet long, 3 feet wide and 4 feet high. Okay, here 2 feet time 3 feet time 4 feet. This time the unit feet appeared 3 times. So this must be 2 time 3 time 4. Numbers will multiply with number and feet will multiply 3 times. So this will become feet cube or cubic feet. We can read it as cubic feet. So 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 4, this is 24 cubic feet. So this is how much space that box contains. You can check on your refrigerator. The space for the refrigerator will be written on a label. Same as the space for microwave. You can take a look on the label on your microwave. There must be the space mentioned. They usually come in 1.5 cubic feet. Anyway, now for the second part of the same question, the length and width is same, but this time what is changed is the height. This time for new box, length is equal to 2 feet, length is equal to 2 feet, width is equal to 3 feet, but height is equal to 4 feet and 5 inches. Here this inch is creating a problem because it's a different unit of length. So we must convert inches into feet like I said before in case of area. All the units must be same. So 5 inches must be converted into feet before we can proceed for calculating the volume of this box. Therefore, this would be 4 feet plus 5 over 12. This is for converting inches into feet. So this is feet, and now this will be 4 plus 5 by 12 is equal to 0.416 plus 0.416, and this is feet, and this is equal to, if we round off the number on 2 decimal places, this will be 4.41 feet. And now because all the units of length for length, width and height are in feet, therefore we can easily calculate the volume. And by the way, the box looks like this box here. Now the volume of box would be equal to volume of box would be equal to length time width time height, and this would be 2 times 3 times 4.41, and we didn't write feet in every time because we can always write cubic feet at the end. That is equally acceptable way of calculation. So this is equal to, if we multiply 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 4.41, this will give us 26.46. But if at the end I don't write cubic feet, then it will be a problem. So definitely either you can write the unit while you are multiplying length, width and height, or you can add the unit of volume at the end with the answer. So this is volume of the new box you can see that by increasing the height by 5 inches, volume of the box increased by 2.46 cubic feet.